Mastering advanced relative clauses in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating aspect of English grammar, advanced relative clauses. You might already know about basic relative clauses, but today we're going to tackle their more complex, yet intriguing counterparts. So sit back, grab your notes, and let's embark on this grammar journey together. Before we jump into the advanced territory, let's briefly revisit basic relative clauses. These are parts of a sentence that explain or provide information about something mentioned in the sentence. They usually start with a relative pronoun like who, which, that, etc. Example: this is the book that I read last week. In the example, that I read last week, is the relative clause, providing extra information about the book. Now, let's step into the realm of advanced relative clauses. These can start with whom, whose, where, when, or even why. In these clauses, the relative pronoun can function as the subject, object, or indicate possession. They can also refer to places and times. Example: do you know the man whose car was stolen? In the example, whose car was stolen, is the advanced relative clause, providing more information about the man. Understanding is best cemented with practice, so let's look at some more examples and try a few exercises. Example 1. I remember the day when we first met. Example 2. This is the city where I was born. Example 3. He's the scientist whom the award was given to. Exercise 1. Create a sentence using a relative clause that starts with where. Exercise 2. Create a sentence using a relative clause that starts with whose. Exercise 3. Create a sentence using a relative clause that starts with whom. Remember, the goal is to provide extra information about a person, thing, place, or time in your sentences. There you have it. You've just explored the captivating world of advanced relative clauses in English. We've seen what they are, looked at a few examples, and even tried some practice exercises. Remember, mastering these advanced structures can greatly enhance your English communication skills. So, keep practicing and soon you'll be using relative clauses like a pro. Thank you for joining us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video where we'll continue this exciting English grammar journey. Until then, take care.